How to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. So first is to make sure that your Facebook application has been updated to its latest version. Just go over to your Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook. So if you see an update button, just tap that button for it to start updating. But if none, then it could be that your Facebook application is already in its latest version. And once you're in your home feed, tap the three horizontal lines located on the upper right corner. Then tap your profile icon and tap the camera icon found in your cover photo. So in here, you are provided with options. So you can either create avatar cover photo, upload a photo, or select photo in Facebook. Also, you can create cover collage. So for this, I will select upload photo, which will show the photos from my gallery. So in here, select the photo that you want to use as a cover photo. So from below, you will see this text, share your update to newsfeed. So just uncheck the box. Unchecking this box, this change won't be uploaded in your timeline. Now hit save and then refresh. So as you scroll down, you will not see a new post in your timeline. So that is how you change cover photo on Facebook without posting. Thank you and have a great day.